Alright, we're here with a special guest. Show your finger, show your hands, buddy. Show your hands here. This is Harry. He did the entire disassembly of the PS5. So he's gonna watch from the distance. Harry, there's gonna be smoke here. So you go from there and watch. Go back more to where that white chair is. Okay, I'm gonna apply special chemical. It's called a flux. Okay, we're gonna use a big nozzle like this. 500 degrees, very hot. Apply it here and just wait and wait and wait and wait. Go back a little more. We don't want to smell this, okay? What do you smell? Oh, it's the smell of the flux. There we go. Look at that, it came out. How? Magic. All right. Ah, bro. Come on. Okay. Now we apply. Harry, what is this called? Solder. Solder or shoulder? So we apply solder pretty much 2 holes. Well, you can use it anytime, but mommy says once you start playing that game, you will never look at us ever again because the game is too good. You'll never come out of your room. Just want to play and play and play. Huh? But you will play it. I think a little bit older. Did you play Nintendo with Theo? Why they didn't play it? Why? Really? Really? That's it? Not even a cake? No fruit? Nothing? Bro, that's sad, yeah? And then? Oh, you want to play that? I think a little bit older, man. There's racing car, shooting games, fishing games, dancing games. Maybe I'll get a dancing game. How about that? You want to do dancing? Well, this is the maximum. Okay. Bro, we're not getting the hole that we want. I know what we can do. Hold it there, just like that, and then bring this. And then do we have a hole? Yeah, a giant hole. We got delivery? No, I did that too early. Any what? No, no, stop it. Stop it. Harry, get off the chair. It's tangled. It's gonna break the controller. It's tangled. You're gonna break the controller. Any toys that you can have. You, you already got my GoPro camera. Where's that? But why don't you bring it back? Yeah, yeah. Bro. So that came out alright. Second one. Oh no, the slide doesn't want to connect. Okay, we already did that. Okay, wait for me there. I just gotta finish this. I can't let it go now. Wait. Harry, go back more, please. Okay, done. Go 4 holes. I'll get the HDMI port. Okay, now the way we're gonna put this, a little easier way. Okay, here we go. What, that guy is still covered. Let's fix that guy up. Wait, Hannah, your turn coming, okay? Wait. Okay. Yeah, we don't really need to worry about that hole because this method will resolve that issue. So what we're gonna do? Yeah. So let's heat it up. That's it. That's it. Press down. Maybe. Just. Yeah. Quick physical inspection. That's in all the way that it could go in. No more. Okay, and put solder here, there. Okay, and just make sure all these guys are good. There's a bit of touching. Okay, I believe that's it. Okay, done. Alright, we'll get it reassembled by an expert. If there are any issues, we'll make a part 2. Otherwise, we're not going to make a part 2 or continue the recording. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.